I'm in here like swimwear. All right, y'all. What up? It's your boy Man and Vic Kicks, back again with another unboxing. This one here is not a personal cop. This is another special pair. If you see my last vid, my sister hooked them up with them grade 5s. And you can definitely tell that this is not a Jordan box. So, my oldest child, she turned 18. And Converse had where you could just customize the shoe or whatever. So, I wanted to do something special. I wanted to do something different. This box says Converse You, Converse by You, meet your new one-of-a-kind Converse. Good things happen when you do you. Converse, Converse.com. So that's what the box is. I got these, man. You know, I went step by step to design each part of this shoe, and I liked it just because it kind of makes you think about the person that you, especially when you're doing this as a gift. You know, it may be different when you're doing it for yourself, but when you're doing it as a gift, it makes you think about the things that that person that you're doing this for. You know, what qualities that you like in that person. I think that's a wonderful thing too. All right, so we got our Converse Chuck Taylor All-Stars, you feel me? These are for my daughter who just turned 18. So I had these custom made for her. We got the zebra print here on the outer part of the shoe, black eyelids, red laces, red interior, black toe. It's like a cream or off-white waist strip. And the thing about these on the back, I had one of these on one shoe. This one here, it says her date of birth, 7/6/2002. And on this one, 7/6/2020. Born 18. On the inside, we got the leopard print. Is this cheetah or leopard print? I don't know. Y'all can tell me down in the comments. One of the two. I went with the clear all-star patch. They had various choices, but I like that one. I thought that one was kind of dope, how you could still see through it and see the pattern. My daughter's, she's real unique. She's a, you know, she doesn't like follow trends and stuff like that. So I wanted to just make her own custom shoe for her birthday. And this is what I went with. I have not given them to her yet. They took forever to come in the mail. But I'm happy with the shoe. I think it's pretty dope, and hopefully she likes it. On the inside, it's just a black insole with the U Converse as the kind of like the dark gum bottom. And I'm gonna throw in some black laces too, just for her to swap out, just in case if that's something that she wants to do. But you know, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this shoe. If you like it, if you think she's gonna like it. She likes to dress a little out there. You know, like I said, she has her own definite unique style, so I just figure I'll try to do something like that to what is that? What is that? Let's put these laces in here. There we go, man. Please like, comment, subscribe if you want to see new content. Hopefully you checked out the my alternate grape video with that lace swap. If not, go check it out, man. So again, like I said, this was going to be a real quick video. It's your boy, Main Event Kicks. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, whoever stops by, checks out the channel. You know what I'm saying? So you can catch me on Instagram, main event _kicks. Let me know what y'all got y'all eyes on. Let me know what y'all thinking about getting. All right. It's been real. I appreciate y'all. Again, let me show you the bag with the birth date. I know it's backwards in the camera, but whatever. Y'all get it. All right, y'all. It's your boy again, and I'm out. Peace.